Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can manage notification settings on your Facebook dating. Maybe you want to manage notification settings on your Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage notification settings on your Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. From here, tap on this heart button icon for you to be able to be directed into your Facebook dating. From here, tap on these settings at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll see the general. Tap on it. From here, scroll down and you'll see the account. Under that, you will see the notification settings. Simply tap on it so that you can manage it. In here, choose what notification you'd like to get. For example, reminders and suggestions, new likes, secret crush, and new messages. For example, if you don't want to get notification on your new likes, simply toggle this button to turn it off. And now, you can freely adjust the notification settings. There you go! If you wanted to know on how you can manage notification settings on your Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage notification settings on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.